Content.
Content. Content.
Content.
Content.
Content.
Content. Content.
Content is king. But what is content marketing and how can it help you grow your business? I'm a marketing specialist here at Mandala AI, and I'm going to answer those questions and give you some expert tips on getting started or leveling up your content marketing. Content is any kind of writing or blogging or video that you put out there, especially online, for others to see. So if you have ever posted to social media, for example, then you have created and published content. Content marketing is when you do that, but with the aim of convincing or inspiring the audience to become a paying customer. Let's say I want to buy a new camera. Would I walk into the camera shop and say, hey, sell me the best camera? No, I probably wouldn't do that, right? I would read. I would look at websites and buyer guides and reviews. I would watch YouTube videos. I would consume content that helps me to make that purchasing decision. What if I'm not planning to buy a camera, but I am interested in photography and I want to learn how to take a beautiful portrait photo or how to pick the right lens or filter for my camera? Again, I'm going to read and watch videos. I'm going to search for informative content that helps me improve my skills. Then in 2 or 3 years' time, when I am ready to buy a new camera, all these channels and websites and blogs which have given me valuable information in the form of free content, well, now they have my trust. I know that they know what they're talking about. And so any links or suggestions that they give me will help guide my decision on which camera to buy and where to buy it from. This is what content marketing is all about. It's not about saying, hey, buy my product. It's about providing something of value that helps people to solve a problem or answer a question. And this establishes your brand, your blog, or your channel as a trusted source of information. More than 80% of online buyers do some research before they make a purchase. And people are increasingly turning to social media to learn more about brands and products and services. So, how can you create the best content to solve an audience's problems and answer their questions and choose the best channel to reach that audience? Without a doubt, the most effective content is created with a very specific audience in mind. I mean, when the viewer or the reader feels as though the content was created just for them. As a content creator, you need that specific audience in mind. If you go too general, your content may fall flat. Get specific about age, location, job, lifestyle, and personality, and then create content for that person. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube have analytics tools which can tell you all about audiences and demographics, while Mandala AI tools are easy to use and they cover all of the social platforms in one. Use the keywords related to your brand or to the topic or to your competitors as well. See what content gets the best engagement and the highest views, and then look at the audience. Find out who they are and how they respond to different content. Next, you need to find those important questions and pain points. A good place to start here is Google Suggest, which will show you the most common questions that people search for. To go a little deeper though, Mandala Analytics can show you what types of questions come up on social media on any given topic. So now you know your audience, you know what kind of content they like, and you know what kind of questions and problems they have. It's time to make some content. The style and format of your content is going to depend on your audience, on your brand, on your individual style, and of course on the platform that you're using to connect with the audience. For example, TikToks and Reels are going to have a very different style from long-form video or blogs. There's no right or wrong content, but here's a few things to remember. Be useful. People are looking for a solution, so make sure to provide them what they're looking for. Be consistent. Content marketing is a long game. You'll need to consistently put out content for a period of time before you can expect to see results. Be entertaining. Nobody wants to be bored, and content marketing can be a lot of fun. Be different. If you're simply remaking the same content that's already out there, then nobody's going to care. It's a great idea to look at what everybody else is doing, but make sure to put your own spin on it. If you can do this while answering the needs of a clearly defined audience, then the sky is the limit. We'll look at some different content marketing strategies in the next video, so make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.